much, and I hope marami pang ma-inspire ng mga estudyante, mga teachers na gagawa ng mga environmental projects tulad nito. And this is just one of our projects, the artificial coral reef. Though nakakapagod, nakakasakit ng katawan, but this is for your glory, O Lord. We will protect your creation, and this is also for everything na kailangan dyan maprotektahan ang atong likas na yaman. Daghang salamat sa tanan, and to all, daghang salamat, and God bless us always. This time, after this, we will going to have some rest muna, and then balik sa school to get some stuff for our documentation. Marami pang documents na gagawin, and also kakain muna siguro kami kasi super pagod. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Daghang salamat again, F. Bangoy National High School Youth for Environment in Schools Organization, Barangay Hison, headed by our punong barangay Talili. And also, thank you Sir Kagawad Uy, our Kagawad for the environment. And of course, thank you also Barangay Sasa for helping us always with the Punong Barangay Licarte and Kagawad Alunday. Thank you so much. And thank you. I may not be kanang dili man kaayo taro akong pagka-picture sa baba because it's grabe talaga. Babalikan po namin yung aming artificial coral reef together with the we call this, the bantay dagat para ayusin yung coral reef.